Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Your previous class, I started lesson number. What is our second chapter? Second lesson. The northern plains has started. Now let's see Amma the Punjab plain. Where is open? Classified into three divisions. The northern plains. The Punjab plain are drained by the Indus. The Ganga plain drained by the Ganga. The Brahmaputra valley drained by the Brahmaputra. Now let's see. The Punjab plain. Okay children, the Punjab plain. The plain is drained by the Hindus and its tributaries such as the Sultan's, Beas and Ravi. Only a part of the Hindus basin lies in India. Children, the northern fertile plains lies to the South Himalayan range. Where is it situated, Amma? South Himalayan range. Where it is situated? South Himalayan range. Now it is called as Gangetic Plains. Gangetic Plains. What is called Gangetic Plains? The soil of this plain is built of the sediments brought down by the rivers from Himalayas. Sedimentics means stones one layer laga ఉంటుంది. One layer లాగా ఇలా అప్రోచ్ అంటే one by one like this. This is a sedimentary layer. What is here soil? Sedimentary layers are sedimentic. Here build with sedimentic. Here soiling build with sedimentic layers. Now the soil is proves large boulder, gravel, sand and clay cover the foothill region of the Punjab plain and they are known as the Babur plain or Babur soil. Here soil sand with sand and clay cover. For example, isuka under chudanama like that. Here soil covered with sand and clay. Okay, here soil covered with sand and clay. So that's why it is called Babur plain or Babur soils. Here total Punjab plains lo total sand ఉంటుందమ్మా. ది టోటల్ పంజాబ్ ప్లెయిన్ లో శాండ్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇసుక ఎక్కువగా ఇక్కడ ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ ఉండే సాయిల్స్ మొత్తం ఇసుకతోటే ఉంటది. దిస్ ఈజ్ అ పంజాబ్ ప్లెయిన్. నౌ ద పంజాబ్ ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎలివేషన్ varies from 274 meters in the north to 230 meters in the southeast and 176 meters near Fazilka in the southwest. The Ravi the Beas and the Sultan's join only 1/4 of the area of this region in the north. There are two climate types, humid sub and tropical with dry winter and subtropical steppes prevail in this region. Ikkada temperature, how it is a climate here? అక్కడ క్లైమేట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే హ్యూమిడ్ మీన్స్ చాలా ఉక్కగా ఉంటుంది. ఉక్క మనకి ఇక్కడ వేడి లేస్తుందంటే కదా, ఎక్కువ ఎండ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా వేడిగా ఉంటుందో సో పంజాబ్ ప్లెయిన్ లో కూడా అక్కడ చాలా హ్యూమిడ్ అంటే ఉక్కపోత ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. మీన్స్ ఇన్ ది సాయిల్ ఇస్ కవర్డ్ విత్ శాండ్ అంటే ఇసుకతో కప్పబడి ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి అక్కడ హ్యూమిడ్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. There are two climates, humid subtropical and dry winter. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Dry winters. Now, a major part of the annual rainfall is received in the month of July, August and September. Here, August ఏ సీజన్ లో రెయిన్ఫాల్ ఉంటుందమ్మా? మీన్స్ వర్షాకాలం. రెయిన్ఫాల్ మీన్స్ వర్షాకాలం. ఇన్ విచ్ మంత్స్? ఆగస్ట్, జూలై, ఆగస్ట్ అండ్ సెప్టెంబర్. These 3 months rainfall is very high. Means ఈ 3 months అనేది వర్షాలు అనేవి ఎక్కువ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. In which months? July and August and September. These 3 months rainfall is very in Punjab plain. This Punjab plain totally covered with sand. Means మొత్తం టోటల్లీ ఇసుకతో కప్పబడి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ క్లైమేట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందమ్మా? చాలా హ్యూమిడ్ మీన్స్ చాలా ఉక్కపోతగా ఉంటది. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ బాబర్ సేల్ ఆర్ బాబర్ ప్లేన్ ఆల్సో. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ బాబర్ ప్లేన్ ఆర్ బాబల్ శాండ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ rainfall in which months? Only rainfall 3 months are rainfall is very high. July, August and September. These 3 months in rainfall. Western depression bring a few centimeters of rainfall during the months from December to April. This is a very high rainfall. In December to April, low rainfall is there. Here, December to April also rainfall is there, but that is low rainfall, low centimeters. Only few centimeters is the rainfalls from December to April. Okay. Next one, amma, Ganga plain. Now learn about Ganga plain. Next one is Ganga plain. The major portion of the Great Indian Plains consists of tile Ganga basin. It extends from the eastern margin of the Punjab in the west to Bangladesh border in the east. Where he situated Ganga plains? Punjab to west Bangladesh. Now it is drained by the rivers such as Yamuna, Ganga, Gangahara, Gangadak, Kosi and Tista from the Himalayas in the north, Chambal, Betwa, Son and Damodar from the plateaus. When he is here drained by the rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna. Okay. The entire region slopes towards south and southeast. It is monotonous alluvial plains with little undulation. The lower reaches of the Ganga plains is slightly above the sea level. However, the upper portion rises up to 200 meters. The Ganga forms great delta on its mouth. Here form great deltas formed in this Ganga plain. Now its deltaic part presents the 3 distinctive features of delta formation such as Moribund delta and Mature delta and Active delta. Here 3 deltas are there, amma. What are the names? Moribund delta and mature delta and active delta. Okay, the Ganga plains, it is the most popular part of the India. The Ganga plains, it is the most popular part of our India. Now this is most plants in our India, Ganga plains. People on this plain are mainly engaged in agriculture. Here what you are doing in Ganga plains? Main part is agriculture, means farming. Here doing farmers. Here doing people sir agriculture are farmers. Okay, farmers means agriculture and farming. Trade industry and commerce also prosperous. Here industries are very high. ఎక్కువ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ ఈ గంగా ప్లేన్ లో ఉంటాయి. నో నెక్స్ట్ ద బ్రహ్మపుత్ర వ్యాలీ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అమ్మా బ్రహ్మపుత్ర వ్యాలీ. It lies in the northeastern part of the country and is hemmed between the Arunachal Himalayas on the north and the Meghalaya plateau on the south. The valley presents a flat plain. It is formed by the debris brought down by the Brahmaputra and its innumerable tributaries. The plain seldom rises above 100 meters above the sea level and slope gently towards the west ranges. Hills are found standing on both sides of the river. This Brahmaputra valley is here is situated amma north to Himalayas. North to Himalayas situated this Brahmaputra valleys. In sea level to how many meters amma? 100 meters. From sea level to 100 meters is it. Now, innumerable sand rest and isolates are found on Brahmaputra and the river's flows out in different channels, avoiding upstreams and sandbar. Majuli Island, by far the largest sandbar. Here, you are forming totally sand. Here, highest sandbars are there. Sandbars. Okay, Isuka Teppal. Sandbars means Isuka Teppal are there in Brahmaputra valleys. So many heavy sandbars are there in Brahmaputra valley. Sand river formed on any other river bed in the world. The green Brahmaputra valley is noted to tea plantation. Here forming which plantation amma? Tea plantation. Tea forests here made in tea plantation. Here forming tea plantation. Okay. This Brahmaputra having heavy sand valleys means ఎక్కువ ఇసుక తెప్పలు ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం ఫార్మింగ్ చేస్తారమ్మా విచ్ టీ ప్లాంటేషన్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ బ్రహ్మపుత్ర వ్యాలీ. దిస్ అబౌట్ బ్రహ్మపుత్ర. ఓకే అమ్మా, అవర్ లెసన్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్ ద నార్థన్ ప్లేన్స్. ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ అండ్ ఫిల్ ఇన్ ది బ్లాంక్ హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ అండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ అమ్మా. స్టిల్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ second lesson? Okay children, thank you, take care, bye.